Hello friends and welcome back. In today's lecture we will learn rules for naming a variable. Name of a variable is composed of letter or maybe combination of letters, both upper and lowercase, digits and underscore. Every variable must start with a letter or an underscore. You cannot start your variable name with a digit. For example, where is a valid variable and underscore where is also valid variable. On the other hand, 5 where is invalid variable. C language is a case sensitive language, means uppercase and lowercase letters are distinct, or you can say different from each other. Like writing where all are different, those all are not same because C is a case sensitive language. Special characters such as @ hash, %, $sign are not allowed. Note, maybe in your machine, maybe some special characters are working, but most of them failed. So it's better to avoid special characters. White or blank spaces are not allowed in between. For example, my var is not a valid variable because the blank space over here. Compiler would not be recognized as a single variable or not. Instead of if you want to include readability in your code, then you can include underscore like this. Now this is a valid variable. Keywords are not allowed. Keywords are reserved words that have a special meaning to the compiler. There are 32 keywords in C that are auto, if, go, else, break and so on. If you want to know all the keywords, then you can take a screenshot of this slide. And also we will discuss all keywords in the upcoming lecture. What is the job of all these keywords? Note down one thing here, all keywords are in lowercase. So if you insist on using them in naming your variable, then you can make either a single or multiple letters uppercase and then you can use them in your variable name. Now let's have a look at some tips. Don't use long name for your variables. First thing is it does not look good, and second, using them later in your program is not that easy because you have to write down those long names again and again in your code whenever you want to use them. And finally, always use clear and descriptive name. Okay friends, that's it for today's lecture. See you in the next one. Bye bye.